Welcome everyone to Agrosuede Just Commentary. So we're gonna check out next week performance, a preview, a teaser, final Group B, final. I understood Group A final, Dumpling Mass won and Floor Mass lost, but I must say Floor Mass is a very good singer. She is a good singer. She's amazing. She's just great. But sadly, we have to understand that someone have to lose and someone have to win. And from all those that win in the A, B, C or D, someone else have to lose. Some others have to lose and one person will win. At the end of it in The Masked Singer season 1, we all love our fans and we all had to choose, or we had to choose or accept that one person will win, and it was Dura Tom who won. But Peck was great, Black Crow was great, all of them were great, but Tom is the winner for season 1, so there must be one winner, and of course we have to come to realize that there's gonna be one winner for season 2. But I'm gonna wait till that winner from season 2 sing with Tom, of course. That would be a great performance to look forward to. Thank you very much. Let's go in. Okay, White Crow Mask. Dun dun competition. She is going to win. She is going to win. I am strong, of course. White Crow is going to win. I love Jaguar Mask, I do, but White Crow is going to win. Woo! Is it sweat? I'm like sweating right now. Woo! You hear that? Woo! She is going to win. Next week. Yes.
It's my life ของบงโจวี่บูควรเล่นตลกเขาหน่อยได้ไหมฮะใช่ครับชายเลียงเชียงใหม่ชายเลียงเชียงใหม่ชายเลียงเชียงใหม่ชายน้อยเฮ้ยป๋าจับ
Oh boy. White Crow Mask gonna win. I hope White Crow Mask win. Oh boy. Next week, guys, Group B final. What is all of these judges? They're all out there. One's gonna win and one is gonna lose. Final Group B. White Crow, I actually want White Crow Mask to win. White Hooded Crow Mask to win. What do you guys think? I think she's going to win. But I'm not even sure what to think. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Thank you very much for requesting this one. Next week is gonna be fire. Subscribe to Agrosuede Just Commentary. Like us on Facebook. Follow us on Twitter if you want me to react to the video. Leave a comment below. Thank you very much. Bye guys.